Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Geo top-up balance for calling. While Geo's primary plans often provide unlimited voice calls, your top-up balance has distinct uses. It's not just for regular calls. It's a versatile amount for specific services. We'll explore how to effectively utilize this balance to ensure you stay connected for all your communication needs. Your Geo top-up balance is primarily useful for specific services. Firstly, it's essential for making international calls, also known as ISD calls, to a vast number of countries. Secondly, this balance covers the cost of sending SMS messages to special short codes, which are typically chargeable. Lastly, if your top-up balance is equal to or exceeds a plan's value, you can use it to recharge your main plan directly through the MyGeo app. One of the most common uses for your top-up balance is making international calls. To do this, ensure your ISD service is active. When dialing, simply prefix the international number with a plus sign, followed by the country code, area code, and then the recipient's phone number. Geo provides attractive international calling rates, with some starting as low as 50 pays per minute, making global communication affordable. Beyond international calls, your top-up balance can be used to recharge your primary plan. If your top-up amount matches or exceeds the plan cost, you can select Use Your Account Balance in the MyGeo app during payment. To keep track of your funds, simply check your balance through the MyGeo application, or by sending an SMS with BAL to the number 199. This ensures you always know your available balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.